Hey garden enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the wonderful world of growing your own lettuce. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to up your gardening game, this guide will help you grow the crispiest, freshest lettuce right in your own backyard. Have you ever wondered why you should grow your own lettuce? Well, let me tell you, there's nothing quite like harvesting your own fresh, crisp lettuce straight from the garden. Not only is it cheaper than store-bought, but you also have complete control over what goes into growing it. Plus, trust me when I say this, the taste is absolutely incredible. Let's explore what we'll cover. We begin with the fundamental principles of lettuce cultivation, establishing a strong foundation for your growing journey. In the second section, we'll examine two essential propagation methods: direct seed sowing and transplanting techniques. Our third section focuses on greenhouse cultivation, particularly valuable for commercial operations, where we'll explore controlled environment agriculture and scaling your production. Moving to more specialized content, Section 4 delves into advanced growing techniques, including hydroponics and vertical farming systems. The fifth section covers harvesting methods and timing, while Section 6 provides detailed insights into post-harvest handling and storage optimization. In Section 7, we'll explore the versatile uses and nutritional importance of lettuce varieties. Finally, Section 8 presents a practical roadmap for your lettuce growing journey, whether you're starting as a hobbyist or aspiring to commercial production. Each section builds upon the previous one, creating a comprehensive learning path from basic cultivation to advanced growing techniques. Through this structured approach, you'll gain both the theoretical knowledge and practical skills needed for successful lettuce cultivation. Now let's move to the first part of our video where we will discuss lettuce growing basics. Let's start with choosing the right lettuce variety. For beginners, I recommend loose leaf varieties like red sales or butter crunch. They're forgiving, and you can harvest leaves as needed instead of waiting for a full head to form. Now, soil preparation is crucial. Your lettuce will need well-draining, nutrient-rich soil. Mix in some compost or aged manure about 2 inches deep. The soil pH should be between 6.0 and 7.0 for optimal growth. Lettuce loves cool weather and partial shade, especially in warmer climates. Aim for 4 to 6 hours of sunlight daily. In hot summer regions, provide afternoon shade to prevent bolting. Sowing and transplanting. You've got two options for starting your lettuce journey. First, direct sowing. Simply sprinkle seeds about 1/4 inch deep in prepared soil, spacing them about 1 inch apart. Alternatively, start seeds indoors 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost date. Use a seed starting mix and keep the soil consistently moist. Once seedlings have 3 to 4 true leaves, they're ready for transplanting. When transplanting, space plants 6 to 12 inches apart, depending on the variety. Water them in well and provide shade for a few days while they adjust. Greenhouse growing. Now, let's talk about greenhouse growing. This is where we separate casual gardening from serious production. If you're thinking about growing lettuce commercially, pay close attention to this section. While you can absolutely grow lettuce in your garden or even in containers for personal use, commercial production demands a controlled environment. That's where greenhouses come in. A greenhouse gives you 3 major advantages: complete control over growing conditions, protection from extreme weather and pests, year-round production capability. Let's break down your greenhouse options. You've got traditional glass greenhouses. They're the Cadillac of growing spaces. Excellent light transmission, incredibly durable, and while they're pricier up front, they're a fantastic long-term investment. Then there's polycarbonate greenhouses. Think of them as the perfect middle ground. They offer great insulation and diffuse light beautifully, which actually helps prevent leaf burn. And if you're just starting out, consider a hoop house. They're budget-friendly, quick to set up, and can be expanded as your operation grows. Setting up your greenhouse is crucial. For lettuce, you'll want to maximize space while maintaining good air circulation. I recommend raised beds with 18-inch aisles between them. Or, if you're ready to take it to the next level, consider a hydroponic system. These can triple your production in the same square footage. Here's where greenhouse growing gets really interesting. Climate control. Your lettuce will grow best between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit during the day, dropping to about 60 to 65 at night. Install good thermostats and automated venting systems to maintain these temperatures. For humidity, aim for 50 to 70%. Too high and you risk disease. Too low and growth slows down. Irrigation is crucial in greenhouse production. I recommend drip irrigation. It's efficient and keeps water off the leaves, which helps prevent disease. Set it up on an automated timer, and you'll save countless hours of manual watering. Let's talk numbers. A basic 20 by 40 foot greenhouse can produce between 400 to 600 heads of lettuce monthly when well managed. Your initial investment might be around $5,000 to $10,000 for the structure, plus another $2,000 to $5,000 for environmental controls. But with proper planning and management, you can recoup this investment within a year. Whether you're growing in a greenhouse or your backyard, proper care is essential. Water consistently, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. Watch for pests like aphids and slugs. A strong spray of water works wonders for aphids, while copper tape around beds keeps slugs at bay. Advanced techniques. Now let's explore some advanced growing techniques that can revolutionize your lettuce production. These methods might seem complex at first, but I'll break them down into simple, actionable steps. First up is hydroponics. Growing lettuce without soil. In my experience, NFT, or nutrient film technique, works exceptionally well for lettuce. Here's how it works. Plants sit in channels with their roots exposed to a thin film of nutrient-rich water that constantly flows beneath them. The advantages? Up to 30% faster growth and significantly less water usage. Let me show you how to set up a basic NFT system. You'll need growing channels with a 1-degree slope, a reservoir for your nutrient solution, a water pump, air stones for oxygenation, EC and pH meters for monitoring. Your nutrient solution should maintain an EC of 1 to 1.2 for young plants, increasing to 1.4 to 1.8 for mature lettuce. Keep the pH between 5.8 and 6.2 for optimal nutrient uptake. Now, let's talk automation. A basic setup should include timed lighting systems providing 14 to 16 hours of light daily, automated nutrient dosing systems, environmental controllers for temperature and humidity, CO2 monitors and injection systems for enhanced growth. Here's a pro tip. Install backup power systems for critical components. Even a short power outage can disrupt your entire growing cycle. Vertical farming is another game changer. By growing upward instead of outward, you can triple or even quadruple your production per square foot. These rotating towers are perfect for loose leaf varieties, and they make harvesting a breeze. Harvesting time. Now, let's move on to harvesting. This is where all your hard work pays off, and proper technique is crucial for both quality and shelf life. Always harvest in the early morning, ideally just after the dew has dried but before the day heats up. Your lettuce is at its crispest and most hydrated at this time. Make sure your harvesting tools are clean and sharp. I prefer these stainless steel knives for clean cuts that help prevent browning. For loose leaf varieties, start with the outer leaves when they reach 4 to 6 inches. Cut about an inch above the growing point, allowing the plant to continue producing. A single plant can give you 3 to 4 harvests this way. For head lettuce like romaine or iceberg, wait until the head feels firm and dense. Here's a trick. Give it a gentle squeeze. It should feel like a softball. Cut the entire head about an inch above soil level with a clean angled cut. If growing hydroponically, remove the entire root system and clean it for your next crop cycle. Post-harvest handling. Post-harvest handling is just as important as growing. Here's my proven process. Immediately submerge harvested lettuce in water at 33 to 35 degrees Fahrenheit. Add a small amount of food-grade sanitizer, about 50 to 100 parts per million. Gently agitate to remove any debris. Spin dry in a commercial salad spinner. Store in ventilated containers at 35 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. For commercial growers, proper packaging is essential. Use food-grade plastic containers with ventilation holes. If you're selling to restaurants or markets, consider these clamshell containers. They protect the lettuce and look professional. For CSA or direct-to-consumer sales, reusable mesh bags work well and are environmentally friendly. Let's talk storage. The ideal conditions are temperature, 35 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, humidity, 95 to 98%, air circulation, gentle but consistent, storage time, 7 to 14 days maximum. Here's a professional tip. Before storing, remove any damaged leaves and keep the core intact. This extends shelf life significantly. For loose leaves, layer them between slightly damp paper towels in a sealed container with a few small holes for air circulation. Whether you're growing for personal use or commercial sale, proper handling from harvest to table makes all the difference in quality. Look at this beautiful lettuce, crisp, fresh, and ready to enjoy. This is what proper growing and harvesting techniques can achieve. Remember, growing great lettuce is a combination of science and art. These advanced techniques and proper harvesting methods will help you achieve professional quality results consistently. Uses and importance. Let's talk about some unexpected ways to use lettuce. Have you ever tried lettuce soup? It's velvety, surprisingly rich, and absolutely delicious. Just sauté some onions and garlic, add your lettuce leaves and some broth. Simmer until tender, and blend until smooth. Finish with a touch of cream, and you've got a sophisticated first course that'll have everyone asking for the recipe. For the health-conscious crowd, lettuce is a fantastic addition to fresh juices and smoothies. Combine it with cucumber, green apple, and a hint of mint for a refreshing drink that's packed with nutrients. It's hydrating, low in calories, and full of vitamins A, K, and C, plus antioxidants that help keep you healthy. Got a big party coming up? Lettuce is your secret weapon for beautiful platters. Use individual leaves as natural serving cups for everything from shrimp cocktail to chicken salad. Layer different varieties for a stunning presentation that's both practical and gorgeous. Those sturdy romaine leaves make perfect boats for everything from hummus and Mediterranean toppings to spicy buffalo chicken dip. In sandwiches and burgers, lettuce isn't just a topping. It's an essential ingredient that adds freshness and crunch. Layer it with bacon and tomatoes for the perfect BLT, or shred it finely for the best hamburger topping. For wraps and roll-ups, large lettuce leaves can replace tortillas for a low-carb option that's just as satisfying. And here's a pro tip. Don't toss those lettuce cores. They're perfect for adding to stocks or juicing. Even the outer leaves that aren't perfect for salads can be chopped and added to soups or stir-fries. It's all about reducing waste while maximizing flavor. Remember, fresh lettuce deserves proper storage to maintain its crispness. A paper towel in the container absorbs excess moisture, keeping leaves crisp longer. Only wash what you're going to use immediately and always dry thoroughly. For the longest shelf life, store your lettuce between 35 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit in your crisper drawer. Roadmap. All right, let's map out your lettuce growing journey. Start with simple loose leaf varieties in your backyard or even containers. They're forgiving and perfect for beginners. Focus on mastering the basics. Well-draining soil, consistent watering, and proper spacing. Once you're comfortable with these fundamentals, experiment with different varieties and growing seasons. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can go from a few heads of lettuce to a thriving garden that keeps your kitchen stocked with fresh greens year-round. For those thinking bigger, your next step is greenhouse growing. Start small with a basic hoop, house, or cold frame. Then gradually add automation and environmental controls. Remember, successful commercial production isn't just about growing. It's about timing your harvests, maintaining quality, and understanding your market. Whether you're selling to local restaurants, farmers markets, or through a CSA program, there's always demand for fresh, locally grown lettuce. Now that you have this complete guide, from seed to harvest to table, you're ready to start your lettuce growing adventure. And hey, I'd love to see how your lettuce garden grows. Drop a comment below with your questions or share photos of your progress. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with more gardening tips and techniques. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow gardening enthusiasts. Remember, growing your own food isn't just rewarding. It's a skill that keeps on giving. See you in the next video. Happy smart farming inside.